is going on, people? Well, finally got my track loader going today. It's been down for a little over a week, and boy, was it nice to get this thing back. Ran that one for a little while, and even though it's newer, it wasn't the same. I don't know if you can see it, but here's all the turbocharger components, and also a new exhaust manifold was installed too, because apparently even I wouldn't have been able to see it until the mechanic pulled it off, but there were a couple of cracks somewhere in there, so it's probably what led to a bunch of exhaust soot all over the place. That was cleaned up for the most part, and the new turbo has been installed, and there's a lot less smoke, so I couldn't be happier. And surprisingly, from what I was told, that turbo was under warranty. The machine doesn't even have 8,000 hours on it. It's getting there though. It'll have 8,000 hours before the end of this month. Got a little bit of rain today, and still got some lightning strikes in the area, so not going to be hanging around outside too much longer. But she's coming along. This is the softball field, and just on the other side you've got the field house, and then the other side of that you've got the baseball field. So yeah, hoping to put this thing back to work tomorrow if it doesn't rain, and if it does rain, oh well, I'll take a rain day. So little update, and hopefully I'll get some more footage soon.